So you've gone ahead and done the right thing. You got your business registered for GST. Awesome. But what happens when things are, well, a little quiet? Maybe you're just starting up or business is slow. Do you just do nothing? In this explainer, we're going to cut right through all that confusion. We'll show you the super simple steps for handling GST when there's zero activity so you can avoid any nasty surprise penalties. Okay, this one's for you. You've got your GSTIN, you're all set up, but right now there are no sales invoices going out. Maybe no purchase invoices are coming in either. It's easy to think, hey, no business, no GST filings, right? Well, not quite. And here's the catch. Just by having that GST registration, you've made a promise to the tax department to check in regularly. Even if you're just checking in to say, hey, nothing to report this month. If you just go silent, their system automatically assumes you're late, and those pesky penalties can start adding up without you even realizing it. So let's get real about what's actually at stake here. We're calling this the silent penalty for a reason. It can grow in the background, quietly turning a simple period of no business into a very real and very annoying financial headache. Okay, so here's how it works. For your GSTR1, which is for your sales, there's no direct late fee. So you might think, no big deal, but, and this is a huge but, you literally cannot file your main summary return, the GSTR3B, until your GSTR1 is filed. And that GSTR3B, that one has a late fee of 20 rupees for every single day of delay. It's a domino effect, and that's how a small issue can snowball into a real cost. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There is a very, very simple and official way to deal with this whole situation. Think of it as your compliance lifeline. It's called a GST Nil Return. So, what is a nil return? It's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's just you as a registered taxpayer officially telling the government, hey, for this particular month or quarter, there was zero activity. No sales, no purchases, no tax to pay, nothing. It's just a formal heads up that keeps your records squeaky clean. So who actually needs to do this? Let's be crystal clear. If you have a GSTIN and you had no business activity in a tax period, we're talking zero sales, zero purchases, zero tax liability, then filing a nil return isn't just a good idea, it's mandatory. This is absolutely crucial for keeping your compliance record in good shape. All right, so you're probably thinking, great, another complicated government website to figure out. But I promise you, you're going to be surprised by how ridiculously easy this is. There are two incredibly simple ways to get this done. Okay, method one is the one you'd expect, using the official GST portal. You just log in, head over to the returns dashboard, pick the right month and year, and click Prepare Online. The system literally gives you a little checkbox asking if you want to file a nil return. You tick that box, verify it with a code they send to your phone, and boom, you're done. We're talking a few clicks, tops. But get this, there's an even faster way. I'm not kidding. This just shows how it's simple they've tried to make it. You can actually file your nil return with a text message. From the mobile number you registered with, you just send a quick SMS to 14409 using the right format. They text you a code back, you send another text to confirm with that code, and that's it. Your return is officially filed. It's amazing. So we've talked about the what and the how. Now for the most important part, the why. Why should you bother with this quick little task? Let's talk about the payoff, because it's huge. If you do nothing, you're looking at some pretty serious risks. Those late fees we talked about, they'll just keep on growing. When your business finally kicks off, you'll be blocked from filing new returns. And in the worst case scenario, your GSTN could get suspended or even canceled. Trust me, that's a headache you do not want down the road. But on the flip side, look at the benefits of just filing that nil return. You completely avoid all those penalties. Your GST registration stays active and healthy. You're building a history as a reliable, compliant business, which looks amazing to banks and clients in the future. And honestly, you just get that amazing peace of mind. And what does it cost you to get all these benefits? 5 minutes. Seriously, whether you log into the portal or just send a couple of texts, that's all the time it takes to protect your business and keep your record perfect. So it really all boils down to this, doesn't it? When you look at the potential problems of doing nothing versus how incredibly simple the solution is, the choice is pretty obvious. Is protecting your business from fines and building a solid reputation worth the 2 minutes it takes to send a text? I think we all know the answer to that. It's probably the easiest win you'll get all month.